What's up guys, it's your boy Yuguza. Today we will be doing an unboxing and applying of back pedals for the controller of the PS5. It's just a cheap alternative for a SCUF controller, which will be coming out this year. So I'll start with it so you can see what's inside of the box. So what do you get? You get a back plate. You have many choices in colors and in grip. So you will be replacing your normal plate, PlayStation 5 controller, with this one. I like this one, so I put it because I put the red buttons and the analog sticks on it. So I'm gonna do this one. So what do you get next? You get the pedals themselves, which will be applied on this plate, and of course a screwdriver and a prier to disassemble your PS5 controller, and then of course the ribbon cables and the module where the buttons are on it. So you also have extra cables if you want to remap your back buttons to have your R3 and L3 to be used, but I don't need that. So even my touchpad, I don't want to have it on my back pedals. That's why you don't need to solder anything. So it's just plug and play. And that's what I'm gonna show you, how easy it is to do that. So let's start. Let's take this out. Get 1 year warranty. If one of your pedals breaks, you can contact them on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. They have everything. So you can find them. It's eXtremeRate is the company. So this is not my first controller, so I can tell you I like the pedals. Maybe if you buy the metal ones, which are out of stock, they are better, but this one will do fine for the regular gamer, not for so first you put the prier inside here, so you can take off this black panel first. Put it inside, just a sec, to put it in, slide it inside here. Put it underneath. Oh, let's try one more time. Yeah, like this. Then you tilt it up like this. Don't be afraid, it won't break that easy. And then you pull it out like this. Then you have to take out these screws. Put your screws aside so you can find them easy. You get a set of screws to replace your old screws, but it's they are the same screws. So if your screws are not damaged, don't need to use the new ones, but you can use them if you want. Now you have to take these out, and what you do is put the prier inside here and you pull, and they get out. Yeah, maybe you put your fingers in front of it so they don't shoot out like this. They're out. Then you have two other screws you have to take out, here and here. Take them out. Like this. There you go. As they're out. Now, what you can do is put the prior again between your controller like this, and here too. See? Yep. Then you have these two hooks. You have to pull back a little, like this. Pull the other one back. When you take out everything, then you can pull it with two fingers like this. Like the other one. Yep. And then you can pull your controller backwards like this. If that doesn't work, put the prior inside here. Sometimes they get stuck between. Like this. And then you can just pull it out. There you go. Pull this back plate off. Next thing you want to do is disconnect your battery. So you pull the battery up. What I do is hold my controller like this and just pull the ribbon. So pins are off like this. Now you have two ribbon cables. This is for your connection of your controller. These ones you will be replacing with those in the bag. So pull it on this end, pull it out, then you pull it here. See, you have to pull on this tape. Don't pull on the ribbon. They break easily. Now let's take this plate also off, which we will have to do anyway. Take this off, and then you have this ribbon cable. It's from the microphone. You pull it together with this plate so it stays on it. See, like this. Move it aside. Now you have easy access to this ribbon cable. Just pull it and it's off. You can put it in the box if you want to. I don't know, if your controller breaks and you want to put the old ribbon cables inside of it and the back plate, and I don't know, ship it to Sony, I don't know, maybe. But then you can use the back pedals for a new controller. You also have to watch out because of but it's on their side, which serial number is on your controller, because if it's the wrong serial number, then the back pedals don't work. But I think with the new back pedals they address that issue too. Now, what we have to do is pull this up, because we have to take out we have to put the big ribbon cable. I will take all the ribbon cables out so you can see it. So this, then you have this one. Open it up. Okay, take it out. As you can see, this one, we won't be needing this one because this one's for the analog sticks. I will not be remapping the analog sticks, and this cable you don't need it either. It's also for remapping the analog sticks and the touchpad. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna use. So what we're gonna do Here are the two buttons, you see? It's on this weight. But now, let us take this off. Normally it's just pull up. If everything is right, if you've done your homework, as you should have, you can just pull it up. But first I'm gonna pull this ribbon out. It's like this. And it's out, you see? Leave it there. And this one I'm gonna pull out as well. It's in the front of here, you see? Like this, it's out. Now we can normally take this up, but if it doesn't go, pull it with your analog sticks like this. Then it comes out. Push it, sorry. You have to push it with your analog sticks. Now, see this? This is where you have to connect these connections, you see? You have to connect them with this part, so, and that goes like this. Let's see now. Put it here. Over these pins. Show you. See here? Put it over these pins. Like this. Oh. Like this, and then you can put back the analogs and the plate inside. Pull the ribbon back so it doesn't get stuck underneath the analogs like this. See? Slide it back in like this, and that's it. So now you have to put this ribbon back in side. If you don't put it back inside how it's supposed to be, then your controller won't work. It's easy as that. So this one is here. Now what I like to do is put the ribbons now on. As you can see, every ribbon has its name, but it's easy to know. You see, like here you see the L1, L2, R1, R2, it's written on it, so you know. If you don't know, you see your buttons are still here, so you know it. So now you have to figure out how to put your connections. As you can see, you have to put them here, so it will have to be like this. See? There's no other way. So I'm gonna insert this one first, like this, to be sure that's inside how it's supposed to be. It's inside. Now we're gonna put this one inside, like this. So you can see, just be be sure to put them all the way in. And it's in. This one too. Yeah, it's in. Okay, that's that. Now we take the other side, do the same. This one is much more clear. As you can see, it's like this. This one in first. Like this. It's in. Then you bend this one and put it inside here. Like this, come on. This, it's in. Now, I put this back, put this plate back in. Ah, damn it. See, if you're not careful, some stupid things can happen sometimes. So, you have to be careful. Swimming got stuck beneath. So, this back. It's good. This. Okay. It's all right. Now, I'm gonna put this plate back on. Like this. See? Goes like this. Take the screw, put it in. Screw it down like this. You can take. Now you can put the microphone back in. This, put this one back in. This, okay, they're in. Now, put the battery in. First connect the cable. See? And battery is in. So now you can glue. You see you have a Tesa strip here, so if you peel it off you can glue this to your battery. Now, okay, I'm gonna tape this one on. Take the tape off here like this, peel it off, and then tape it like this. Okay, it's there. See? Now, put this little hinge up, then you can pull this in like this, and then you can pull this hinge down like this, and you do the same here. I'll do it like this. You know why? Because I don't know. Sometimes I have to pull this ribbon up and down, and I want to force this small ribbon to break. So pull it up, push this inside, like this. It's in. Pull it down, like this. Okay. Now this is all inside. Now, all this is okay. Now we have to put this plate over it. See? This. Oh, as we are busy, we'll have to do something else now also. This. I have to screw this on. Like this. You have to find the holes. They have to align with each other like this, see? Then you take the screws. And for that you have, normally you have smaller screws, so you don't make a mistake. Normally, looking at it, you have to have, yeah. Take those screws and wind it up like this. Up. See, it's not so hard. Take another one. Don't use too much force, because this is just plastic. It can break, it can overturn your screws, and then it has no grip anymore. So when you feel it's tight, so don't overdo it, guys. That's that. Now, it goes like this. No, it's good. Sorry, it goes like this. See? No, sure. No, I was right. It goes like this. See? It goes inside here. Up over there, and then you have two small screws you put inside here. Now, I'm gonna do is push it up. Come out. This. Put the ribbon on it. Yeah. First, do it like this. Get it through here. Put the ribbon on it. So you open this, let you see it like this. Don't use too much force, because these things break easily. Yes, nice. See this. Put this over here. And close this. Like this. And afterwards, put this over here. When you do that, put those two screws over this plate, over the board, sorry. these two screws inside. Pull them down. See, like that. But okay, that's just to show you how. Because now you'll have to put the pedals on the board. Okay, this one's there. See these? Sometimes they don't fit inside of this hole, so what you have to do is take your screwdriver, go through it one time. It's made for that. Don't worry, you won't break anything. Then you can take this, pull this one through. See, then it goes easily through it. Now you have to know K2. It's labeled, see, with a K2. Take the K2 button, put it inside here, like this. Actually now I can put this plate back on, so everything will go easier. Just take it over, slide it inside here, see, first here, put it like this, and then you can just close it. Closed like this. See that it's closed everywhere. Okay, now everything goes easier. Take the K2 button, put the pin inside of this, see, and just push it down, see, so it has some place to move like this. The K1 button, you do the same. Take the screwdriver, push it through here, wind a little, see, so it fits nicely inside. Okay, take this staff, pin, whatever you want to call it, put it inside here so it fits, then push like this. Now you can put the board inside. First go inside here like this, then you push it there, then you take the small screws, put them inside here like this. And before you assemble your full controller, I would give you the advice to test out if everything works. Before you assemble everything together, try it out. Because we are people, we make mistakes. As you can see, it's nice and clicky. Now, I'm gonna do that. Okay, my controller works, I see it because of the white light lighting up. Controller is okay. What I want to test out is if I push the button, which is this one, push it up here. I do it like this. You can do it however you want, but you can push the button here and then see if your controller reacts to it like this. You have the LED, the red light should start blinking or work, you see, like this. Then if you push a button, take this button for example, and you push this one, now they're paired. It works like this. Okay. Now I can assemble everything together. So, see this? This for the red light. Put it in like this. Then you have 2 pins here. Slide it over it. Done. Now you have the button. Same way. Put the button over the pins. And that's it. To make it easy for you, you should do it like this. Put it up here. First up. And then down. It's done. It's over there. And see, if I push the button now, red light stops lighting up. Now, let's take new screws. You know, what the heck, we have screws, so let's use those screws. Put it on your screwdriver. I have special tools I can use, but I don't do it because I want to show you with the tools you get from the box, you can do the job. One screw, take the other screw, do the same. In. Then you have 2 screws here. Take a screw. I always put it on the screwdriver because it makes my job easier. Like this. See? Nice and easy. Yep. It's done. Take another one. Do the same. That, put this plate over it. You do it like this, slide it in here, go back like this. Just a sec, like this, yeah. Put it over here, like this. Put it over here, like this. Then you just push it. Hear it clicking, and it's in. Everything is on it, as you can see. Put the buttons back. You should know how to put them, because if you put them the wrong way, it's very hard to take them out. So just push it. Let's take the other button because it flew away. Do the same thing. And that's it. So, guys, this is how it looks at the end. I think it's nice. I don't know. Leave your comments down below if you like it. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. I will be making more videos every month. I can't say every week because I don't have the time, but every month for now. If you want to know more about how to do this, or you have any questions, or you need support, just contact me on my YouTube channel, Instagram, Twitter. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.